What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardim Querido. Today, we're harvesting pineapple. Alright, so this is the second time I'm recording this video. I will show you some footage from the latter half in which I tested the first pineapple. So I had 2 pineapples growing here. It's taken me about a little more than 2 years to get to this point. Basically, I did where you take the crown off a store-bought pineapple, put it in the ground, propagate it, and it's been about 2 years of keeping it in the greenhouse, overwintering it. In the past years, I failed because I got greedy and I wanted to put them in the ground. So while they do grow well in the summer in the ground, even in full sun in Houston, unfortunately, they're not going to survive long enough to bear fruit. So the first one, looking back, it's been a week. Looking back at the footage after tasting the first one, it was more ripe than a store-bought. It was more developed, it was right there. But now this second one, I've waited an additional week for. The aroma is stronger, it looks very much gold. There's maybe a tiny bit of green left on there, but it's so flopped over, I'll show you in just a minute, that I feel like if I don't get to it now, something else will. I have raccoons, I have possum, I have rats. So we need to take care of that before something gets to our little prize before we can. So let's take a look at it.
Yep.
So this is where we're at. It's very much kind of lobbed over. I'm gonna see if I can just kind of break it off, which, yep, I can. And she's ready. She's definitely ready. There's a tiny bit of green on there, but for the most part, I don't know if that color is coming out correctly. I'm surrounded by green, so it's probably not showing as well as I see it visually here, but it is like a very deep orange, giving just a tiny bit too. So similar to the last time, I'm just going to, the aroma is insane, I'm telling you. I'm glad I got to this before something else did. But basically what we're gonna do is, say you get a store-bought pineapple. If you didn't know, if you just twist opposite like that, basically this core, you're gonna peel off some leaves, maybe cut that off where there's fruit, and stick it in the water. A couple of weeks, you'll have roots. You then put it in some soil. I don't know if I have a video on that. If I don't, and you'd like to see that, comment below, and I'll make that happen. Anyhow, let's check this out. We're gonna start just preparing it. Already I can see that, very juicy. It gives quite a bit. It's a lot more ripe. All right, now we're gonna try a slice here. That's not the official slice, but wow. I gotta bring you guys in for this. There we are. Super like rich color, juicy. Cheers. A lot sweeter, especially than store-bought, but even sweeter than the last one. As far as pineapples go, it's like a 10 out of 10. It doesn't really have that strong bromelain, like, you know, where it's kind of like eating your mouth or whatever. Super juicy, super rich. Here comes Lola. Let's see if she wants any. Here you go. I don't know if dogs can have pineapple, but she's a hardy girl. She can handle it. I'm just gonna have a little bit more here.